Hello, friends! So we have been learning about construction sites, their tools. We're going to be learning about roads this week, but I thought we'd read an informational book. That means a book that we learn something about a trip to the construction site. That's the title of our book. A Trip to the Construction Site. And this is by Nora Ellison. So here is our front cover of our book. Here is our spine. And here is our back cover. So let's see if we can learn some new words in this book about a construction site. Oh, look, these have, this is the contents. That means these have titles or chapters in this book. A house is being built. Have y'all ever seen a house being built before? I have. The boss has the plans. So you see here, they're looking at the blueprint, the plans. We read some books that had plans in it. And here are the construction workers. Everyone wears a hard hat. Safety first. This is a hard hat. So they keep themselves safe. A digger makes a hole. Now remember us reading the book? This is a digger. This is the digger bucket. So it's making the hole right now and picking up all that dirt. And here's its arm, remember? A truck moves the dirt. So y'all may say dump truck or truck. This is what the digger's doing. So he takes his arm and his digger bucket and put it all in that truck so it can take it away. Pipes go in the ground. These are the pipes right here in this long trench. I wonder what these pipes are going to connect to in the house. It could go to maybe the bathroom, or all the sinks, all the water, maybe. Workers build the walls. So now they're about to get ready to build the house. So here are the walls going up. They use saws to make the boards shorter. So it was long, but now they're making them shorter. Those are really sharp. We must be safe and only have an adult with us. They use hammers and nails. There's a hammer and there's the nail. The house is almost done. Look, they built that house and now they're putting in the bricks. Bricks to make it strong. Stay put. And that's the end. So we learned some words: hard hat, pipes, and truck. I hope that you enjoyed this trip to the construction site. I would like for you, my friends, to tell me if you were a construction worker and you had to build a house, what would be your job that you would like to do? Would it be to build the plans? Would it be to hammer and nail? Would it be to saw the boards shorter? Would it to put up the walls of the house? All right, my friends, you have a great evening. Bye.